Yes guys, welcome back to Crypto Alert. Today I'll be telling you about an upcoming NFT project I am extremely excited by. For you to understand why that is the case, you will obviously need to watch until the end of this video. But I'm telling you, you will not regret it because this project is absolutely insane. The winner of the one soul giveaway is Diceit. If you could DM me on Twitter, that would be great so you can receive your one soul. And I am doing another giveaway now of 2 soul this time. I'll be announcing the winner later on next week, so definitely make sure to enter. All you gotta do is like and comment down below with your favorite NFT. Now the NFT itself is somewhat of a play to earn, but they call it a live to earn. Now by live to earn, by giving you an example, it's extremely similar to Sims from the looks of it, and you're basically living a life for your NFT character. It's giving me some GTA Sims vibe mixed together, and I've got to say it looks really good. It's definitely coming around with one of the best NFT games graphically, and the gameplay itself looks actually really good. As you can see here in this clip as well, you're working, so literally living your life in the game and earning working points. This is extremely early stages for the project, yet we got so much alpha recordings after talking to the team behind the project. And I've got to say guys, I'm not only investing into this NFT just because of the actual gameplay here, it's because of how much drive and trust the team is building before they even release the NFT. Now I'll be telling you a bit more about the game later on in this video, but before I do need to tell you about the native token, the MIFE token, which you are able to enter in the private sale in the website. Now I'll be talking about the roadmap and the game itself and why I'm so excited by this project later on in this video. But first I gotta tell you how you can actually purchase the NFT and how you can actually get involved into the project. And before anything, they are doing a pre-sale for the MIFE token. It's a global private sale which you're able to enter, and it's basically a pre-sale, and 1 Ethereum is 12,000 MIFE tokens, and that is basically a small converter for you to get the idea of what 12,000 or like MIFE tokens are actually going to be worth. MIFE tokens itself are going to be able to be used in the ecosystem of the game, of course, and also to purchase the NFT, and you're basically at the moment able to buy the tokens at a pre-sale before the public sale comes along, which most likely they will release a lot of marketing around that time. So definitely a smart idea would be to get in early. As we scroll down here, we get to read a bit more about the game. The Metalife is a whole new level of living your life in the metaverse, and pretty much to sum it up, you're not actually playing the game, and in fact they don't even like to call it a game. What they are calling it is a platform, as it should be, because you're not actually playing the game, you're pretty much just living in the metaverse itself in here. And it's their own metaverse, of course, called the Metalife, and they got their own ecosystem, completely separate and completely unique and really well put together. And again, really reminding me of the Sims here, and just Sims with a really old ancient GTA vibe, which I've got to say looks really good. Citizens can earn the MIFE token through daily quests, reproduction, NFT persona, open businesses in the game itself, of course, and working as an employee, renting, lending NFTs, goods trading, operate NFT mining, join competitions, and many more. In my opinion, there's a lot going on here, and so far they're definitely showing they're capable of doing quite a lot of this already, as we can see from the gameplay videos. And literally, I'm excited guys. I've got to say, the gameplay has really shook me up. Here we have some more info so you can explore the world anywho you like and immerse yourself in the vast world of the Metalife realm. Now the multi-types of NFT. Every NFT should have their own use case, and the Metalife is the first platform to cater multi-types of NFT. And we also got to socialize in competition, and you basically have a bunch of different equipment that have value in the metaverse itself that you're able to purchase with the MIFE token. And I've got to say guys, I've got some alpha info after talking to the guy behind the project, and what's really excited me is the fact every single object, including cars, buildings, and even little objects and so on, you'll be able to actually buy and sell in the Metalife game itself, and you'll obviously be able to earn MIFE tokens, which you'll be able to trade for other cryptocurrencies. And in my opinion, it is looking extremely promising. Alongside it, if you look at the game itself, they obviously put in a lot of work already, and if you go to the Twitter, it is extremely early stages. They're just sitting on 5 followers, and the fact they are just about starting to market, in my opinion, I've got to say, we got some crazy alpha going on here. Now for the concept of the game that he has introduced me to is the fact that you won't be able to just really just play the game all day and just earn a lot of MIFE tokens, as that will obviously make it really unsustainable. The way they actually brought it along is again, really similar to Sims, is that you actually got to have your NFT, so your character, to actually sleep, to be able to work again afterwards, to obviously make some revenue with the MIFE token, and obviously for you guys to make money as well. So again, it's really giving you that live to earn vibe more than a play to earn. Alongside it, again, the sleeping factor to gain more energy, reminding me of Sims 3, which I've got to say, really smart and well put together. Here they actually have an explainer video which I won't play, but you guys can actually watch it down below in the description. And here you can actually see just the roadmap itself and what exactly they're going to be doing. And they started this project in Q3 of 2021, and I've got to say, so far they've done a great job. Now the thing behind it and why they started so early and they're only seeing on 5 followers is the fact that throughout this time they were working more on the back end, the game itself, and the actual trailer, the gameplay. And the reason behind that is to actually have something to show, unlike a lot of projects. We've seen games like Pixelmon recently that NFTs have done absolutely amazing initially, and then we see the game itself, some gameplay of it, and it's just completely different. Here you're getting what you're seeing, which in my opinion again is massive, comparing to the fact of how many bad projects we have seen doing so well. And in this case we have a really good project. I mean, you guys can probably add it up by now. As you come down here, we get to learn a bit more about the team, and in my opinion this is massive, simply because the guys behind the team here have experience in the blockchain, in different NFT games, and in games in general. For example, we got Peter here, who is the CTO. He has developed 3 NFT games in the backend. So yes, he backend developed 3 different NFT games. We also got Ryan, who's the CEO, who actually runs 2 blockchain companies for supply chain and DeFi. We got Liu here, who has 15 years of experience in game development. And most importantly, we got Dimitri as well here, who not only seems like he's good at raising funds for blockchain companies, he's raised a total of $18 million, but alongside it, he co-founded 2 NFT game projects that are currently still running. Now, there's quite a lot of details here that still need a lot of exploring and research, but for that reason, they have a Discord and Twitter for you guys to join to learn a bit more about. Definitely, I'll recommend you to join the Discord and Twitter. You get to talk to the people behind the project, people that are invested and looking to purchase NFTs or even the crypto itself for this project. I would again recommend you to go and check out. All the links will be down below. And that brings us to the end of the actual website. And if you go back to the Twitter, we just get to see a lot of snippets, a lot of work that they have put into the game. And again, I would highly recommend you to go over to the social media just to stay updated with everything going on, as in my opinion that is obviously going to be really important if you're going to be buying their cryptocurrency, which is the MIFE token. Which again, do your research before making any sort of investment. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed that video. If you have, make sure to slap your like, subscribe to the channel, check out the project in the description down below. Remember, the 1 Sol giveaway winner, make sure to DM me, that would be really appreciated. Also, the 2 Solana giveaway is just started basically, so definitely get involved. Other than that, guys, peace.